Hello friends, welcome back to Dnanakashi Academy. In this class, we are going to study about 5th standard 5th lesson fraction. Assignment 1 already solved to upload in this channel. Who is not visited that video, go to the channel please and check it. And today we are discussing about assignment 2 based on the fraction. Based on the fraction. What is the question here? Start this video. We are starting. Before who is visited first time our channel, please subscribe and bell icon to the next way. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment section. Assignment 2, first question is like this: write like or unlike for the following group of the fraction. Some fractions are given here. These are like or unlike fractions. Let us check. Like fraction, we have a like fraction that number denominator same, that is called as a like fraction. Whose denominator is a different, that fraction we call as a unlike fraction. Here 12, 27, 11, 19, all these numbers are different denominator, that's why these fractions are unlike fraction. And this is second one. Look here, all the denominator 15 here, all the denominator are 15 here, that's why these fractions we called as a like fraction. Okay, next one. Here also a denominator are 4 in all the fractions. This third one is also a like fraction. Here denominator are different, that's why these fractions are unlike fraction. And the second question, convert the following pair of fraction into like fraction. Here two fractions are given. These two fractions are unlike fraction, we convert into like fraction. 21 is the smallest common multiplier of the denominator 3 and 7. And so write the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 and 7 by 3 by 7 having the denominator is 21. 2 by 3 I write like this: 2 into 7, 3 into 7, 14 by 21, and 3 by 7 and multiply with the denominator and numerator into 3, we get 21. Denominator are same here, that's why these two numbers are like fraction. Here unlike fraction given, we converted into like fraction. We are solving in a second question. Here given fraction is 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. These two are unlike fraction. I solved two easy way in this session how to convert into like fraction into unlike fraction. First I write 3 by 5, 3 5 here, 7 here. Okay, this number denominator and numerator I multiply with the 7 because of another one fraction is a 7 denominator here, that's why I multiply with the denominator and numerator with the 7. 7 3s are 21 and 7 5s are 35. Okay, next one, this one 5 by 7 I multiply with the denominator and numerator with the 5. Why? Here is the denominator is 7, multiply with the this fraction. Here denominator is a 5, multiply with the this fraction. Okay, and 5 5s are 25, 7 5s are 35. Here in these two fraction 21 by 35 and the another one is 25 by 35. Here denominator are same here, 35 35. These two fractions are like fraction. like fractions. Okay, and the third one is given fraction is 5 by 6 and another one fraction is 2 by 5. We convert it into like fraction. 5 by 6 first fraction is, here denominator is 5, that's why this fraction we multiply with the 5 because of another one fraction of the denominator 5 here, and 5 by 25 and 6 by 30. Here next one 2 by 5 here, 2 by 5 here. I multiply with the numerator and denominator with the 6. 6 2s are 12 and 5 6 are 30. These two fractions are here like fraction 25 by 30 and another one is 12 by 30. These two fractions are like fraction and also a equivalent fraction. Okay, next one, given fraction we converted into like fraction. Here 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. In a before question, in a denominator 5 is in a before question 6 and 5 are in a different table. 6 and 5 are a different table, that's why 6 is multiple with this fraction and 5 is multiple with this fraction. Here in the fourth question, what happened here? 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. Here 6 is comes under third table. That's why I converted into like fraction. 3 how much is 6? 3 how much is 6? 3 2s are 6. That's why denominator and numerator I multiply with the 2. And 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. Okay, and the next one I write as it is. And 4 by 6 and 5 by 6, these two numbers are like fraction because of denominator are same here, also 6 here, also 6 here. Here 6 is a large number than the 3 and 6 and the 6 is comes under the third table and 3 how much 6? 3 2s are 6. That's why 2 is multiple with the denominator and numerator, we get 6 and 4 by 6. Okay, these two are a like fraction here. Next one is assignment 3. This is the compare of the fraction and write the sign of greater than or lesser than between these two numbers. How to do? Some rules are there in the how to write the comparison between the fractions. Here denominator are same here. What to do? We compare with the numerator. Which number is greater than 5 is greater than 3. That's why 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8. When denominator are same here, what we do? Which numerator is greater than the another number? That's why 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8. Okay, 5 is greater than 3 when denominator are same. Here also denominator same here and we compare with the 18 and 12. 18 is greater than 3. 18 is greater than 12. Here in a numerator same here. numerator same here, denominator are different. What we do here, and this one is a small here, this is the large here. 24 is greater than 9. 24 is greater than 9. But 5 by 24 is smaller than 5 by 9. Because here greater numerator are same in both sides. In the numerator, which number is greater, that number must be small number. Which is the denominator greater number, that is the small number when in the numerator are same here. Here also numerator same here. Which number is a small, and 3 by 8 is a greater than 3 by 11 because numerator are same here. 11 is greater than 8. 11 is greater than 8, but 3 by 8 is 3 by 8 also greater than 3 by 11. We are compare with the two fraction. When the numerator are same, which number is large, that number must be small here. Okay, and next one is 25. Numerator, denominator here same. Denominator same here, and we compare with the numerator here. Compare with the numerator. Which number is greater here? 27. 27 is greater, and 22 by 25 is less than 25 by 27 by 25. Here 8 by 13, 8 by 20 in the numerator same here. Which number is small, that number must be, which number is small, that number must be greater here. Okay, 80 by 13 is greater than 8 by 20. Here in the denominator are same in both 23. We compare with the numerator. Which one is the large here? 22. And 19 is smaller than 22. What I do? 19 by 23 is lesser than 22 by 23. Here numerator are same. Which number is small, that number must be what? Greater than. Okay. 2 by 68 is smaller than 2 by 43. Here denominator are same here. We compare with the 6 and 5. Which number is large here? 6 large, and 5 by 7 is smaller than 6 by 7. Here numerator are same here. Which number is small, large? This is a large number, this is a small number. Large number is always small, that's why 5 by 13 is lesser than 5 by 11. Here also denominator same here. Which number is large? That is large. In these two denominator are same. In a numerator, which number is large? That fraction is larger than another one fraction. Here numerator are same here, and denominator are different here. What is the rule of the fraction? Which number is greater, that number is a small number. In which denominator, which number is a large, that is the small. Okay, 9 by 13 is a greater than 9 by 17. Assignment 4. Compare the following fraction. Given two fractions are given here, 4 by 7 and 7 by 9. Given fractions are like this. First what we do, write the first we write the equivalent fraction of 4 by 7. How to write the equivalent fraction? Here 7, here 9, here. These two numbers are a prime number. These two numbers are in a different table. We converted into like fraction. This denominator number is multiple with the first fraction, and this 7 is multiple with this fraction number. Okay, 4 by 7 I multiple with the 9 both side. Okay, because of this one is a common multiple, and 9 fours are 36, and 7 nines are 63. Okay, and next one fraction is 7 by 9 here. 7 by 9 here. I multiple with this 7 and also multiple with the numerator. 7 sevens are 49 and 9 sevens are 63. And the equivalent fraction, 4 by 7 and 7 by 9 equivalent fractions are 36 by 63 and 49 by 63. Here denominator are same. Here what we do, comparison between the fractions. These two are like fraction. Okay, here 36 is lesser than 49. 36 is lesser than 49. That's why 36 by 63 is also less than 49 by 63, and 4 by 7 is smaller than 7 by 9. This is the comparison between the fractions. And the second one is 5 by 9 and 3 by 8. These two are a given fraction here. These two are a given fraction. I write the equivalent fraction of 5 by 7. 5 by 9. 5 by 9 equivalent fraction right here. 9 and 8 are not comes under the same table. That's why 8 I multiple with this fraction and 9 I multiple with this fraction. Okay, 5 by 9 into 8 and also multiple with the numerator. Okay, 5 8s are 40 and 9 8s are 72. I write the equivalent fraction of 5 by 9 here. And I write the equivalent fraction of 3 by 8. Already I say that 9 and 8 are not comes under the same table. That's why 8 I multiple with this fraction and 9 I multiple with this fraction. Okay, what I do next here, 8 I multiple with this 9 and also same multiple with the numerator. 9 3s are 27 and 8 9s are 72. Okay, and 5 by 9 and 3 by 8 equivalent equivalent fractions are 40 by 72 and 27 by 72. Here 72 denominator same here. I compare with the numerator number. 40 is greater than 27. That's why 40 by 72 is also greater than 27 by 72. And also 5 by 9 is also greater than 3 by 8. Okay, this is the comparison between the given fractions. Okay, I solve the third question here. And the given fractions are 2 by 3 and 7 by 8. First I write the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Here also 3 and 8 are not comes under the same table. 3 and 8 are not comes under the same table. That's why 8 I multiple with 3 and 3 I multiple with 8. Okay, 8 into numerator also 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. And also I write the equivalent fraction of 7 by 8. What number I multiple with 8? We get 24. I write this 3 I multiple with this fraction. 3 3. 7 3s are 21. 8 3s are 24. Okay. 2 by 3 and 7 by 8 equivalent fractions are 16 by 24 and 21 by 24. Here 24 and 24 in the denominator same here. I compare with the numerator. 16 is smaller than 21. Also 16 by 24 is smaller than 21 by 24. Also 2 by 3 is also smaller than 7 by 8. This is the comparison between the given fraction. This is the assignment 4 complete here in the chapter 5 fraction. And the remaining assignments are solved in the next session. Who those are watching first time this video, please go to the subscribe and bell icon to the next video. If you have any doubt, please comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching.